Very good morning, students. Previous class we have studied about cell practice 6b and method to solve how to solve cell practice 6b. I have explained through the video and some documents also. Now we have to do our next exercise, that is cell practice 6c. So how we'll solve that exercise? In this exercise, here question is not given, means equation is not given directly. First of all we have to frame the equation. First of all we have to make the equation. Then we have to solve linear equation. Okay. For that some situation are given, some word problem, some sentence statements are given. According to that condition statements, we have to make linear equation. Then we have to solve the linear equation. Okay. So just you see here. In the first question, I have written the first question on the board. Next of the question I will not write. Just read the question by the book. I will also read and explain, and then I will make the linear equation. Okay. Because every question I have to write in the board, that is not possible. Because word problem is there. That's all. So here in the question number first, just you see the number decreased by 7 is 25. Find the number. Means which number is decreased by 7, we will get 25. So first of all we will suppose the number. Okay, let be the number is equal to x. Let be the number is equal to x. So either you can take x or y, a, b, c, d, anything, means variable. We have to suppose variable. Okay, either alphabetic 1 a to z, anything you can take. So let the number is equal to x. This is the number. I don't know. This is unknown value. This is variable. So now we will use this statement on this x. So x decreased by 7 is equal to 25. Decrease means minus will come. Yeah, minus. Decrease means minus. So x minus 7 is equal to 25. Okay. So required equation is equal to x minus 7 is equal to 25. This is the linear equation. Now we have to solve this linear equation. So main problem in word problem, main thing is you have to frame the equation. If you will frame the equation, then you can solve easily. Because already solution part already you know how we are solving. Two exercise we have already did. Exercise 6a and 6b. Now this one is 6c. In this first of all we have to make the equation, then we have to solve the equation. Now solution part is same. We have to shift this value in this side. So here minus 7 is there, then it will go in that side, then it will come plus. So x plus 7 will come. Okay. So final answer is equal to 25 plus 7. How much will come? 32. So required number is equal to 32. This is the final answer. Required number is equal to 32. Means what is the value of x? 32. This is the number 32. This is the final answer. Now we have to solve question number next, third. Second question, just try yourself. I have left for you. In that part, question is given increase, so you have to add. Okay. In the second part. Third part, just you read the question number third. The number is multiplied by 2 and 8 is added to the product. Then result is 50. Question number third. I have left question second. Just try yourself. Question third. Read the question. The number is multiplied by 2 and add the product with 8. Then result will be 50. So just you suppose the number. Let be the number is equal to x. Okay. Number is equal to x. So then it will come. We will use the condition. Multiply by 2. Then we will multiply this number to x. 2 into x. Now after multiplying, then it will be product. After multiplying, what will be the product? In that product we have to add the 8. Then it will be equal to 50. Okay. So this is the final linear equation. 2x plus 8 is equal to 50. Now we can solve easily this type of linear equation. First of all, we will shift this 8 in that side. So it will come 2x is equal to 50 minus 8. Because plus sign is there, then it will shifted in that side, it will come plus. Sorry, minus. Now we have to subtract 50 minus 8. How much will come? Then it will come 42. Okay. Now here multiply sign is there, then it will go in there, then it will come division. So x is equal to 42 upon 2. Now we can cancel out here 21. So final answer is 21. So required number is equal to 21. It will come 21. Okay. So this is the final number. Final answer. Required number is equal to 21. This is the final answer. Now we have to use next question number 4th. I will left. Just try yourself. Question number 4. Try yourself. Question number 5th. Now we have to do question number 5. Just you see here in the question number 5, 2/3 of the number increased by 9. The sum will be 19. Find the number. Then first of all you have to suppose the number. Always whatever question is asking about find that number or this number, just you suppose that number x or y or z anything. So let the number is equal to x. Number is equal to x. Now we have to use the condition. What is condition is given in the question number 5. The 2/3 of the number. 2/3 means 2 upon 3. 2/3 of the x. 2 upon 3 into x. 2 upon 3 into x. And increase by 9 means we have to increase this means plus 9. Then it is equal to 90. Is equal to 90. Okay. So this is our linear equation. 2x plus 3 upon plus 9 is equal to 90. Now we have to solve this linear equation. So first of all we have to shift this 9 in that side. So it will come like this. 2x upon 3 is equal to 90 minus 9. Okay. Now we have to subtract this. How much will come? Then it will come 10. Okay. After that nothing written means 1. Means 2x upon 3 is equal to 10 upon 1. Now we have to cross multiply here. Cross multiply because fraction is given here this side. So we will cross multiply. Then it will come like this. 2x into 1 means 2x is equal to 3 into 10. Then it will come 30. Okay. Now this 2 is again multiply. Then it will go that side. Then it will come division. So x is equal to 30 upon 2. We will cancel out. It will come 15. Final answer is 15. So required number is equal to 15. This is the final answer. Now we have to do question number next question number 7. 6 question, just try yourself. Okay. So that's question number 7 is based on age problem. Okay. Means Seema's little sister is now 5 years old. If her age is 2 years more than 1/5 of Seema's age, how old is Seema? We have to find age of Seema. Okay. So Seema's little sister is now 5 years old. In the question is given her little age is equal to little sister age is equal to 5 years. Question number 7. Seema's little sister age equal to 5 years. Okay. After that we have to use a condition. If her age is 2 years more than 1/4 of Seema's age. So first of all we will suppose let Seema's age equal to x. Seema's age is equal to x. Okay. Now we have to use the condition here in the question 7. We have to use 1/4 of Seema means 1 upon 4 into x, and more than this question is given 2 year more than, then we will add plus 2, then it will come is equal to 5. Okay. Now we have to find value. So how we will solve this question? First of all we have to shift this to that side. So this one is x upon 4 is equal to 5 minus 2. Okay, now we have to subtract here, then it will come 3 upon nothing written means 1, then we will cross multiply again. So we will cross multiply means x upon 4 into x 3 is equal to 3 upon 1. We have to cross multiply, then it will come x is equal to 3 into 4, then it will come 12 years. Means Semaj is equal to 12 years. This is the final answer. Okay. Question number 7. Now we have to do question number 9. Question number 9. 8th question, just try yourself. Okay. Now question number 9. Sum of two number is 64. Sum of two number is 64. Second number is 16 less than the first. Find the number. Okay. Second number is 16 less than the first. So first of all, just you suppose first number is equal to x. Let first number is equal to x. First number is equal to x. Then second number is how much? Second number will be, here question is given 16 less than the first, means x minus 16. Okay, 16 less than the first. Now we have to add both the number, then it will come equal to 64. So x plus x minus 16 is equal to 64. Now we have to find value of x. Okay, so how will find question in this part? Again, just this x will be added this x, and then this 16 is shifted this side. So x plus x, 2x will come is equal to 64 plus 16 will come. Okay, 64 plus 16. Now we will add both, then it will come equal to 80. Okay, now this 2 is here, then it will go that side, then it will come division. So x is equal to 80 upon 2, we will cancel out 40 will come. Final answer is equal to 40. So first number will be 40. First number is 40 and second number is 40 minus 16, 24 will come. This is the final answer. Okay. So first one is 40, second is 24. Now we have to do question number 11. 10th question, just try yourself. Question number 11. John is 7 years older than his sister. John is 7 years older than his sister. Then the sum of their ages is 21 years. Find their ages. So just you suppose John 7 years older than his sister. So first you suppose let age of his sister, let age of his sister is equal to x. Age of his sister is equal to x. Now you have to use the condition. John is 7 years old, so age of John is equal to x plus 7. Right? Question number. Now after, so just age of John is equal to x plus 7. Now we will add both. Sum of both the ages is equal to 21. So x plus 7 is equal to 21. This is the linear equation. Okay. Now we have to solve the linear equation. How we will solve? Then x plus x, it will come 2x. Now 7 will transfer that side. So solution part is nothing different. We have to solve like that only, whatever we had did in the previous question or previous exercise. So x plus x, 2x will come. Now transpose this 7 in that side, then it will come 21 minus 7, then it will come 14. Now 2 is here, multiply, then it will come in division. So x, final x is equal to 14 upon 2, then we will cancel out, 7 will come. Okay, so age of his sister is equal to 7, age of his John is equal to 14. So age of his sister is equal to 7, and here 7 plus 7 it will come 14. Age of John is equal to 14 years. Like that we have to solve the question. Remaining whatever I have left, just try yourself. Okay, rest other I will do in the next video.